Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make an iced matcha tea latte. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools to ensure a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through the traditional whisking method, which is key to achieving that vibrant green color and frothy texture. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a delicious and refreshing drink you can enjoy anytime. Get ready to elevate your home barista skills. To begin, you'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of ceremonial-grade matcha powder for the best flavor. Next, prepare about 2 ounces of hot water, ideally around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. Have 6 to 8 ounces of your favorite milk, like oat or almond, chilled and ready. Don't forget a sweetener, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey. Lastly, a bamboo whisk and a small bowl are essential tools. Now, let's create that perfect matcha base. First, sift 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into your small bowl to prevent clumps. Then, add 2 ounces of hot water, ensuring it's not boiling to preserve the matcha's delicate flavor. Using your bamboo whisk vigorously in a W or M motion for about 30 to 60 seconds. This technique helps create a beautiful, frothy layer and a smooth, lump-free consistency. Finally, it's time to assemble your refreshing iced matcha latte. Fill a tall glass with plenty of ice cubes to ensure it stays perfectly chilled. Next, pour in 6 to 8 ounces of your preferred milk or milk alternative. Carefully, and with a steady hand, pour your freshly whisked matcha directly over the milk. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen sweetener, stir gently, and enjoy your delicious, homemade iced matcha tea latte.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.